Good day to all our friends around the world. It's so amazing for God that all of us, wherever we are, we have mountains of experiences. But literally, we have seen mountains in our lives. Literally. When you see a mountain, it symbolizes hugeness. It symbolizes stability. Because along the narrative, all of us Christians, scholars, theologians, philosophers, in the narrative of redemption, God uses the symbolism of mountain. His engagement to His people has always been calling people to look up to the Mount of Zion, the Mount of Olive. God is calling because it is only in the stability of His strength, the stability of God's strength, that we can stand against the current, the strength of the enemy. Because the Bible tells us that in the closing movement of the story of redemption, Paul wrote to the book of Ephesians, "Finally, my brethren, be strong in the Lord." Finally. Because we are not fighting against flesh and blood. We are fighting against principalities, against powers. We need mountain. That's the reason why Christ has to deliver His closing instructions, the healing message, on a mountain. Looking to that mountain, you can feel the strength, the stability of its nature. The object of this nature is strong, big, huge. So my beloved friends, we need to understand how God engages His message. Does the Bible speaks the movement of our time? If the Bible is the living Word of God, where can we find the assurance that He is living and His truth is alive? Except when we know and understand Christ's instruction delivered on the Mount of Olives, given to the 4 disciples. Not 11, not 12, but only 4. Because 4 represents globalization. All four corners of the earth. We need to learn and understand the only way for us to be able to fight and win the battle today is to hold on and look up to the words of Christ delivered on the mount. God bless us, and share this message to your friends.